We are at Harrod and Turf in Norfolk, and we're busy putting some soil together for all the gardens in the country. And it's amazing just how much soil is actually used in the country. But you can't just use any soil. It has to be purpose made for the job. And to do that, we mix it. Now you can go to the garden centre and you can look at those piles of compost and those bags of grow things, and you think to yourself, crikey, what am I going to use? We've made it a bit easier at Harrod. You just have one type of soil, and that's a multi-purpose soil. But it has to be obviously to a good standard, BS 3882. That tells the buyer what's in the soil, how much loam is in the soil, how much clay is in the soil, how much sand is in the soil, loamy silts. It also tells you of any nasties that might be in the soil. So how do Harrod do it? We'll have a look at the tractor and we'll see how we bag it up for you. So what we're doing here is we're got a front end loader, and when the tub is level, that holds 0.72 cubic meters. What's interesting with soil is that it's not actually sold by the litre unless it's in small bags, but in a dumpy bag like Harrod and Turf do, it's sold. So we simply put the lugs on the hopper, which again is 0.72 of a cubic metre. Tip it and then it fills it. Harrod and Turf put it onto pallets for you, so it's conveniently can be moved around on site should you need it to go somewhere else. It also helps with the distribution. Most of domestic deliveries are done via a courier who has a tail lift, and then a pedestrian forklift goes into the pallet and then puts it onto the tail lift and drops it on the curbside for you, all ready to go. So let's get a closer look at this soil, BS 3882, safe soil, and you'll be okay with it. It is made up of the country's best agricultural grade 1 soils. It's a sandy loam mix, and it's tested by a triangle. A triangle is a way of testing to see how much clay is in it, how much loam is in it, how much sand is in it. Fantastic stuff, beautiful, anything will grow in there. Multi-purpose soil, Harrod and Turf. That comes from www.turfonline.co.uk.